Okay, first things first. We've taken our medication for the morning. Okay, don't forget that if this is the reminder that you needed. Water. Chin chin. Let's go. Hi, it's Scola and welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be fun to do another what I eat in a day video. A few videos ago I actually did one, but I really wasn't happy with the way that I was eating. It felt really uninspired, it felt really basic, whereas today I decided to put a lot more effort into what I'm eating and I felt so inspired to do so. If you're interested to see the groceries that are going to make up what I'm eating today, a link to that video will be down below. Also, to kickstart my inspiration, I tried out healthy recipes from TikTok. I think that video will be up before this one. If so, I'll leave it linked down below so you guys can go and check that out. Sometimes I be watching what I eat in a day videos and I'm like, do you really eat that every day? Like, do you really put that much effort into your food like every day? And I feel like just that little bit of context would be helpful to be like, okay, is this a special day? Is this just like for today because you're filming? So just to let you guys know, today is a bit more special. And before I get started, I have to put out my disclaimer that I do in every video, and that is when it comes to what I eat in a day videos, please just take them as inspiration, especially if it's not coming from a professional nutritionist or a dietitian. There are so many here on YouTube and also other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok giving out free advice, because I know going to a professional may not be accessible to you at the moment. So do look out for those people who know their stuff. Not to say that other people don't know. There are many people educated like myself on this topic, but just take it with a pinch of salt because those professionals are always going to be the best ones to go to. Okay, I'm actually ridiculous in the way that I just gave you this whole spiel that I'm going to make new foods and new recipes that I've not really done before, and then I went for my most basic go-to breakfast. So here's the thing, I'd seen this picture on Instagram and it looked really cute, it was a really good idea, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that. And then I basically stupidly tried to microwave an egg. Don't do it. Just know that there will be an explosion. I don't know what I was thinking. Do you know what? Let's not talk about it. Anyway, so I really need to get like some sort of egg poacher or something. I just didn't have the utensils in order to make that shape egg. It's all gonna end up in the same place and come out in the same place. Sorry, that was gross. Okay guys, so I have been standing at my desk and here is proof. Look, the desk is in the standing position and I am currently standing and leaning on it now, which is really good. And I feel so much better for having done that. Also, I feel so much warmer. My flat is so cold and I'm actually trying to get them to do something about it because it's just unnaturally cold. I'm gonna be making an exciting salad for lunch and yeah, it's gonna be gorgeous, fresh, nice salad. So let's go and make that. Okay guys, I feel like a Kardashian with my lunch today, but it's been ages since I've had a salad, and I really do like salads. Like, you know, sometimes you have a good salad and you're like, wow, that was so nice. So I've just thrown together this salad, and I just feel like there's so many lovely flavors, like the sweet flavor of the strawberry, but then you've got like that cheesy feta flavor will just add so much, and then the textures, you've got some pumpkin seeds in there. I also threw some avocado in there, and this is really what I wanted to get in my diet a little bit more. Is just more color, more veggies, and just really feed myself really well, because I feel like before I just wasn't eating this colorful. Okay, it actually tastes really good, and I feel like because I've mixed it all up, the feta has coated all the leaves, so there's a really nice flavor on all the leaves, but everything's sort of like sunk at the bottom, so I need to like mix it up properly. Oh, this is so good though. This also will take forever to eat. One of the things I've noticed is that I tend to eat my food way too fast, whereas this kind of food just makes me slow down, because there's no way I can try to like eat this fast. Like, I have to eat it, I have to chew it, have to take my time with it. So this is gonna be good for me. Just a quick update, just to say that I've got myself some green tea. This is the pineapple and grapefruit flavor. This is not my favorite flavor. I prefer the salted caramel flavor, but I can never find it. I've been meaning to order online, but I just haven't got around to doing it. But just a quick green tea. I definitely don't have as much green tea as I used to. I used to love green tea, but I just sort of fell off on it, especially because I couldn't find my favorite flavor anymore. Right, you know what time it is. Ooh. I've got my cup of tea. I have got my cup of tea. If there's one thing I have well and truly adopted from the British culture, it is a good cup of tea. An English breakfast tea. Whew. That being said, I do prefer the sweeter taste of rooibos tea, which is like the tea that I knew about before I moved, which is like a really popular tea in Zim. Like, everyone drinks rooibos, and I think it's caffeine free. That's a really cool thing about it, actually. Oh, now I've made myself want to find some rooibos. I'm not sure if Aldi does rooibos, you know? I've never checked, to be fair. Anyway, I have got my afternoon snack. It is currently 4, actually it's almost 5. It's almost 5. I had a little bit of a busy moment there. I had like a therapy session, actually. I've been doing therapy on BetterHelp. I highly recommend BetterHelp. It's just such a good way. Like, if you're gonna look after your physical health, you might as well also look after your mental health. Dinner's gonna be easy and it's gonna be fun to make. Yes. Oh, I need to work out. Damn it, I left it so late now, haven't I? I'm not late, but oh. Okay, so I was smart and I started making my dinner whilst I was working out. So it's just in the oven cooking. Now it's all done and it looks amazing. It was so easy to make, just chopped everything up and put it in the little dish. It's so late though, it's like almost 9. So it's pretty late for me to be eating dinner, but you know, sometimes it just happens. You have busy days, and today was a pretty busy day, but I'm really excited just to sit down, eat this food, chill out, because I'm really hungry at this point. My water, pretty much done for the day almost, because it's almost 9.
hot.